Starting a fundraiser on PayPal is easy, whether you're raising money for a personal cause or a charitable organization. Here's how you can get started. Log into PayPal. Open your PayPal account on the website or app. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. Navigate to PayPal Giving Fund. On the website, go to the PayPal Giving Fund page by searching for it in the search bar or clicking on the Donate button under the More section. Create a fundraiser. Once on the PayPal Giving Fund page, look for the option to create a fundraiser. Click on the Create Fundraiser button. You'll be asked to provide details about the cause or organization you're fundraising for. Fill in your fundraiser details. Add the fundraiser's name, description, goal amount, and the cause it supports. You can choose to raise money for a charity listed in PayPal Giving Fund or for a personal cause. Share your fundraiser. After setting it up, you'll get a link to share with friends and family via social media, email, or messaging apps to help raise funds. Track donations. You can monitor your progress and manage donations directly through your PayPal account.